Alright, students, you're welcome back. Let us continue with the multiplication of sets. In this video, we are going to look at soft examples or exercises. Let's consider some soft examples on multiplication of what? Of sets. Okay, so the first question says that without using tables or calculator, simplify square root of 50 minus 3 root 2 to bracket 2 root 2 minus 5 root what? Root 32. Yes, so we are supposed to simplify. Okay, so what do we get? As usual, as we said, whenever you are adding sets, you have to add the like terms together, and you also have to make sure that before you do, so that whenever you are subtracting or you are multiplying or you are adding sets together, you have to group all the like terms together, and then all the like terms, the sets that are alike, and then the rational numbers, you group them. And if the sets are also not what? Simplified or reduced, you have to do that before you do the multiplication or addition or subtraction. So in this video, we are going to, as we are considering this first example, you see that square root of 50 is not what? Not simplified. Apart from the square root of 32 is also not simplified, but this third term is what? Is already simplified. So this is equal to what then? Then you have to simplify square root of 50. So to simplify this, what do? We look for the highest perfect square, which is what? A factor of 50. So what is that? It's 25 or 25 times 2. So you have 25 times what? Times 2. That is the square root of 50, right? And then minus what? Minus 3 root what? Root 2 into bracket what? 2 root what? 2 root 2 minus what? Minus 5. Okay? And then minus what? 5 root what? 32. It's also not simplified. So how do you simplify that? That is what? 16 times what? 16 plus 16 is 32. So 16 times what? 2. Okay, so we get that one. So let's just come up here. Okay, so this is equal to what? Is equal to, so if you separate, okay, you get what? This is 5 root 2. Should I write it down? Okay, let me take my time. So this is square root of 25 times square root of what? 2. Okay, and then minus what? We have this one. This is 3 root 2. This one is already simplified, so we don't do anything to it. Root 2 or minus what? Minus 5. And then this one we have minus, this is what we are bringing, minus 5. And then square root of, this is times. So this is 5, this means 5 root, that is mean times. So 16, you have 16 here. And then times of square root of what? Square root of 2. Okay? Yeah. So let us come down here. Let's come down here. Let's come down. Oh yes, the understanding is what matters. Here, you know, the space is small, so we have to manage. Okay, so what do we get? We get what? Square root of 25 is what? It's 5. This one will give us what? 5. Okay, so what times what? Square root of 2. You bring it, and then minus of 3 root 2. Sorry, let me write it well. 3 root what? 3 root 2, and then 2 bracket 2 root 2 minus what? 5. And then what is this? This is a term. This one is what? Minus what? 5 times square root of 16 is what? 4. And then times what? Root 2. Okay? Okay, fine. Let's just continue. So what is this? This one is what? The same as 5 what? 5 root 2. And then you have what? Minus what? Minus that we can now now expand it, but you let us maintain this. You will not expand it. You do that in the second out in the next level. So let us then we have 2 root 2 minus what? Minus 5. So this one is what? 5. This is 5 times what? 5 times 4 is what? 20. 20 root what? Root 2. Okay? So yes. So it's equal to what? So we bring this one. This is what? 5 root 2. Write a 5 root 2 there nicely. And that. Okay? 5 root 2. Oh, let me write it well. Okay. So it's equal to what? 5 root what? Root 2. And this one, 3 root 2 will go and multiply this. So you get what? So but it's negative. So you get negative 3 root 2. It's multiplying what? 2 root 2. 2 root 2. And this negative 3 root 2 will go and multiply the negative 5. And we get what? Minus what? Minus 3 root 2 times what? Negative 5. Okay? Then we bring this one. This is the last term. So minus what? That is 20 what? 20 root 2. Okay? Fine. So let's come here. We have to come here. In fact, we have to manage the space. Otherwise, but so this is what we have 5 root 2. Write a 5 root 2 here. Okay? 5 root 2. and then we have this. So negative times positive will be what? Negative. So you see, you multiply the rational numbers together. So 3 times 2 you get 6, and root 2 times root 2. Square root of 2 times square root of 2, you get square root of 4. Square root of 2 times square root of 2, the same as 2 times 2. You put them under one square root, which is what? Which is 4. Under one square root, then you get what? You get 2. Have you seen? So we multiply the 3 and then 2 together, we get 6, and then square root of 2 times square root of 2, you get what? You get 4, but it's negative, so don't forget. So minus what? 3 times 2 minus what? This is 6. 6 root what? 6 root, let me, is root 4. Fine. Root 4, so I'll get what? 2. Okay? Hope you are following. So this is what, so this is where we are. Then we have negative 3 root 2 times what? Negative 5. So negative times negative will give us positive, but this 3 is what a rational number, and this 5 is always also a rational number. So 3 times 5, we get what? 15. So it will be positive. Plus 15 root what? Root 2. Hope you understand this. This is 3 times root 2. Negative 3 times positive root 2 times negative 5. So negative 3 times negative 5, get 15. You get 15 times root 2. 15 times root 2, the same as what? 15 root 2. And then you have what? Minus what? 20 root what? Root 2. Okay? Fine. So let us continue. So we have what? 5 root what? 5 root 2. And 6 times 2 is what? 12. Minus what? Minus 12 plus what? 15 root 2. And then minus what? 20. 20 root what? 20 root 2. Okay? Oh, sorry, this is 20 root 2. Okay? So what do you see here? 5 root 2. So let me let me tell you that, and I'll come here and rearrange for you to see. So this is 5 root 2, and we have 15 root 2. So 5 plus 15. This is just like 5s plus 15s. We get what? 20s. So at the end of the day, we get 20 root what? 20 root 2. So this is equal to what? 20 root 2. And then don't forget we have minus 20 root 2. So minus what? 20 root 2. And then we have negative 12 here, minus what? Minus 12. Okay? So this and this, they will go to 0. Then we have what? Negative what? 12 as the answer. Have you seen? Hope you understand. So this is what I mean. So 5 root 2, say 5 root what? Root 2. Then plus what? 15 root 2. You rearrange them. 15 root 2. Okay? 15 root 2. And then we have what? Minus what? 20 root 2. And then minus what? 12. So 5 root 2 plus 5 root 2 plus 15 root, this is 20 root 2 minus 20 root 2. So this will go to 0. The 0 minus 12 is equal to what? Minus 12. Oh, you understand, you are following. Okay, thank you guys for that. So for that. So let us continue. Second question says that given that square root of 5 is what? 2.36. Sorry. Square root of 5. Given that square root of 5 is 2.236. Find the value of this. Your answer must be in 3 significant what? Figures. Okay? Your answer must be in 3 significant figures. Okay, so solution. So we have what? Means you are just going to, you have to simplify this. Okay? So fine, we have what? 2 root what? 2 root 5 is multiplying what? 6 minus what? 2 root 5. Okay? Yeah. So this 2 root 5 multiply the 6 and at the same time, so 2, this is 2 root 5. It is multiplying the 6 first, and then what? Then plus what? This is positive, so plus 2 root 5. 2 root 5. Then go and multiply what? Negative 2 root 5 times what? Negative 2 root what? Root 5. Okay? Yeah. So this is equal to what? This is equal to 2 root 5 times what? Times 6. So this 2 root 5 means 2 times root 5. Then times 6. So 2 times the 6 with 12. So you get 12 root what? 12 root 5. Okay? And then we have this one 2 positive 2 root 5 times negative 2 root 5. Positive times negative, and then you get negative. So 2 times what? 2. 2 times negative 2, get negative 4. So negative 2, negative 4. So root 5 times root 5 is what? Times what? Root of what? 25. Okay? Which is 5. So you get 12 what? 12 root 5. 12 root 5 minus what? 4 times what? 4 times 5. Okay? Which is equal to 12 root what? Root 5 minus what? 4 times 5 is what? 20. So what is this? So this is equal to what? The same as what? 12. Let me come down here. 12 root 5. So the answer is what? 12 root what? Root 5 minus what? Minus 20. Okay? So 12 root 5, what is the meaning of that? The meaning, it means 2 times what? 12 times square root of what? 5 minus 20. Don't forget that the question has given us what? Square root of 5 to be what? Given that square root of 5 is this. So where this square root of 5 is, we can come and put this value there. So this is equal to what? 12 times what? 12 times 2 point what? So instead of the terms, I can just write about bracket instead of terms. They are the same. So I can write it as 12 into bracket what 2.236. Okay, minus what? Minus 20. Okay, yeah, yeah. This so yes, this is what we get. So what is this is what we get. So what is that? 12 times this. So 12 times this. If you multiply, you get 26. You get what 26.832. 26.832. The minus what 20. So what do we get? 20 we get, which is to be equal to what 6.832. It says that with three significant figures, so 1, 2, 3. So we have to end here, but this one is what is less than 5. So this is equal to what, which is equal to 6.83 what 3 SF significant what figures. Okay, so guys, I hope you are enjoying. Let us continue. Look at this example. Okay, thank you. Okay, hello guys. So this one is what example 3. Let us look at this example 3. Let us simplify. Okay, we leave this page here. After that, we consider we write some examples here and continue. So let us solve these ones at the top here. Okay. So I hope you know that if you have 0.1, 0.1 is the same as what? 0.1 is the same as 1 over 10. I hope you know that. So you can take your calculator and punch that. If you have 0.2, the same as 2 over 10. Okay. So if you have 0.01, the same as 1 over 100. I have to give you that. So fine. So we are having what? We have number the 3a. We are giving square root of what? 0.06775. Okay. Square root of this. So we have to rewrite this as a fraction before we can do that. So this is the same as what? This 0. This is 0. What? 0.6 0.0675, the same as. So if you are here, you move the decimal 1 2 3 4, you can move it here. So it means that this is the same as what 675. Okay, 675 over 10,000. This is the same. So you can take your calculator and punch this 675 over 10,000. That's what we get. We can write this as this. The decimal, this decimal is the same as what 675 over what? Over 10,000. Have you seen? 675 over 10,000. Okay, yes. So guys, okay guys, so this is write it as this. Okay, fine. So then we have to, this one is not reduced, we have to reduce it. So we have to find what a perfect square, which is a highest perfect square, which is a factor of 675. That one is what is 225. So we get this is the same as 225 times 3. This one, the numerator, and 10,000 is the same as what 100 times 100 will give you 10,000. 100 times what times 100. Okay, 100 times 100 is the same as what 10,000. So I mean that I put this under the square root sign. Okay, so we know one of the properties tells you that you can all separate. So we have 225 times 3. Okay, put this under its own square root sign, then divided by what 10,000. 10,000 times 10,000. So this is sorry 100 times what 100. So 100 under its square root sign, then times what 100 under its own square root sign. So this is what we get. So this is equal to what. So this one is a perfect square. So it becomes what square root of what 225 times square root of what 3 all over. So this one they give you 100. It's equal 100 square. So 100 the perfect square. This 100 is the perfect square 10,000. A perfect square which is a factor of 10,000. 100 times 100 give you 10,000. So we have a square root of 100 is what 10. You get 10 here. Then times square root of 100 is also what? It's also 10 here. Okay. So this is equal to 225. 225. 15 times 15 will also give you what? 225. So 15 squared. So this one I get 15 what? 15 times root 3. All over 10 times 10 is what? 100. So which is equal to what? Which is equal to which is equal to what? So this is the same as what? 15 root. You can write it as what? 15 root 3. 15 root 3 over what? Over 100. So but you have not finished. You have to reduce this. You have to simplify again. You have to go 5 goes here. 5 can go into 15. How many times? You can go in 5 goes here. 3. And then 5 goes to 100. How many times? 20. Have you seen? So the final answer is final and simplified answer about 3 with what? With 3. All over what? All over 20. This can be written as what? 3 over 20 with what? 3. You can write it as this. If you see this, they are the same. they are all the same. Okay. Yeah, so guys, let's look at this example. So this one is also, this is a mixed fraction. So we have to express it as a proper, as a fraction before. Have you seen? So 81, how do you express this as a fraction? So 81 times 1, 81 plus 19. What do you get? You get, what do you get? You get 100 over 81. So 81 times 1, 81 plus 19. 81 plus 19 is what? 100. So you get 100 over what? Sorry, guys, let me write it well. You get 100 over 81. The square root sign. So both 181, they are all perfect. Both are perfect squares. Have you seen? They're all perfect. So you can separate them. Square root of 100. Put it under each own square root sign. Okay. Then 1 over square root of what? 81. Have you seen? So 100 is 10 times 10, 10 squared. So square root 10 squared. So 10 10 100. So if square root of 100 is what? It's 10. And 9 times 9 is 81. And so you get what? 10 over 9 as your final answer. Cannot simplify it any further. Amazing. So yes, guys, that is it. So guys, let's just look at this example. Let's look at, let's say this is 4a. Let us add this example to it. We have what? Let's say square root of what? 5 into brackets. Just simplify this. Square root of what? 5 plus 3 over 2 with what? 5. If you are giving this to simplify, have you seen? So this is equal to a square root of, so we get square root of 5 times square root of what? 5. Oh, that also. Then plus this square root of 5 can be multiplied square root of 5 times 3 over what? Over 2 with what? With 5. So this 2 root 5 means that, what does it mean? It means 2 root 5 means 2 times what? Square root of what? 5. That's what it means. Okay. So this is equal to 5 times this one, we get square root of 25. Square root of 25, you get, this is 5. Everything plus, note that, note here. Everything, this one is the same as of 1. So you get what? Square root of 5. You get square root of 5. Okay. Then this is the square root of 5 here, is the same as square root of 5 over 1. Then times what? You have 3, 3 over 2 times square root of 5. Have you seen? You have a fraction like this. This one we can cancel. So this square root of 5 will cancel this square root of 5. Have you seen? So we get 5. So this is the 5. You bring the 5. 5 then plus what? This one plus 3 over 2. Okay? 5 plus 3 over 2. If you want to, this one is the same as 2 times 5, 10, 13 over 2. So fine. Fine, LCM. This is 1. LCM is what? LCM is 2. 2 goes into 2. How many times? 1. 1 times 2. Fine. 1 goes into 2. How many times? 2. 2 times 5. You get 10. Then plus 2 goes into 1 meter 1. 1 times 3. Get 3. So this is equal to 13 over 2. As I was saying. If you are not doing elective math, so but if you are doing elective math, 2 times 5 plus 5. You just go 2 times 5 plus 3. Then 2 times 5 plus 13 over 2. Write your answer, then you are done because you don't have any time to waste. So let us look at what B. Example B. Let's look at this one. If you have, let's see, 6, you have to simplify 6 plus what? 6 plus 2 root 5. Okay? 2 root 5. 6 plus 2 root 5. This into bracket multiplication. You have to simplify 3 minus 2 over root 5. Okay? 3 minus 2 root 5. You have this. You have to simplify. So this is equal to mean that 6 will multiply the whole thing. So this is equal to 6 into bracket. 6 is what? 6 is multiplying the whole thing. So you get 6 times what? 3 minus 2 over square root of 45. Have you seen? Yeah. And then okay, so guys, let me change the question. Otherwise, I don't want us to have this thing. You have not go to rationalization. Otherwise, you have to do rationalization of sets. Okay. So let me change the question. Let me change the question quickly. So we make this. Let me make it like this. Let me make it like this. And then we have 3 minus 2 over square root of 45. Let me make it like this. Okay. Now, hello guys, so if you have it means that it's 6 plus what? 6 plus, it means that only this 2 root 5 that is doing the multiplication, that is multiplying. 6 is not part of the multiplication. So this is equal to, bring your 6, then plus what? So 2 root 5 times what? 3. So you have 2 root what? Root 5 times what? Times 3. And then you have this plus what? is positive. This 2 root 5 will multiply out times this multiply negative for 2 over root what? Root 5. Okay. Yeah, so this is equal to bring your 6, then plus this is the same as 2 times root 5. So 2 multiply the 3, you get 6. So plus 6 got 3 root 5. Okay. And then this one is what? This one. Okay, so this will be minus, so got positive times negative, so negative what? 2, this is the same as 2 times root 5, that's what it means. Then times what? 2 over what? Root 5. Have you seen? So this root 5 will cancel this root 5. Okay, yes, so we get what? 6 plus 6 root what? Root 5. So if this they cancel, then we get negative 2 times times positive 2, you get what? Minus what? Minus 4. Okay, so we get 6, you can rewrite them, bring the rational numbers, put them together. 6 minus what? Minus 4 plus what? Plus 6 root what? Root 5. Okay, so what is the answer? 6 minus 4, we get what? 2 plus 6 what? Root 5. This is the final answer. It can be written as what? 6 root 5 plus what? Plus 2. Okay, guys, I hope you are enjoying, you are following. In fact, you see, that is not difficult at all. Just understand. You handle it any way you want to handle it. Okay, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Get understand it. Don't memorize. Keep your comments coming. Then share with your friends as well. As they create email at the purpose for subscription of this channel. Stay on this channel, and surely you will have strong foundation. Get understanding in all your mass topic. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the bell notification icon so that if I upload further videos, you will be notified. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video, guys.